As our week-long tribute to our country's best regional favorites continues, our focus today is the Midwest. And although there are many specialties that go hand in hand with this region, the one that I thought you'd love the most are these meat pies. You see, they became popular when miners began bringing them to work in their pockets, since the crust was sturdy enough to hold everything. To make them, we start by sauteing ground beef along with some chopped carrot and onion. Once the meat is browned, we toss in some diced potatoes and season it with a little garlic powder, salt, and pepper. After this cooks for a bit, in goes some shredded cheddar cheese. Next, we spoon some of our filling onto the center of a pie crust that we cut into 4-inch circles. These get brushed with beaten egg before folding them in half and sealing the edges. Once they're baked, they're ready to bring to work as is. Or how about drizzling them with a little gravy to make them extra dinner time special? It's easy to see what makes these so popular. The combination of the meat and veggie filling, along with the flaky crust, is incredible. To get the recipe for our Michigan Meat Pastries, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a comforting way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."